Hi everyone, I want to use this privilege to ask you what is the dimension of kinetic energy? What is the dimension of kinetic energy? And that is what I will treat now, okay? But before you find dimension of kinetic energy, you need to know the formula of kinetic energy. And what is the formula of kinetic energy? The formula of kinetic energy is half times mass times velocity squared. Okay, it is half times mass times velocity squared. I use m to represent mass, use v to represent velocity, then square. Let's continue for the dimension of kinetic energy, okay? Now, the kinetic energy will now become, the dimension of kinetic energy will now become half times mass times velocity. Velocity has formula, which is distance over time, which I am going to square it because this one is squared. Then let's continue. The dimension of kinetic energy will now become half times capital M for the dimension of mass times capital L for the dimension of distance, which I'm going to square it because of the 2 here, all over capital T for the dimension of time, which I will also square for this square here, okay? Now, finally, I will now have the dimension of kinetic energy to be half times capital M times L squared times t raised to power minus 2. T raised to power minus t means this all over t squared, okay? So I just represent the velocity to be, that velocity squared to be L squared times t squared raised to power minus 2. It's the same thing with this. I never change anything. So you can now have right to represent the dimension of kinetic energy like this, okay? Or in this way, or you can even represent it with m L square t raised to power minus 2 all over 2. You can also represent it like this, or like this, or like this. That is how to solve for dimension of kinetic energy. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and comment, okay? Remember to subscribe or follow. Bye. God bless.